and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Also, if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave me them down below, as well as hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I do not want you guys to miss out on, as well as hit that join button. We've got a ton of new membership perks that I don't want you guys to miss out on either, as well as our new merch store. We've got some new things uploaded there, so be sure to check it out. This video is for my Supreme fam. I have missed you all. I know it's been nice to take a break, but I feel it. Feel the excitement in the air. People are getting stoked and ready for Supreme to start back up. We've been on this big, long hiatus. And now I'm going to talk about basically all of my favorite cops of 2020. I'm going to give you my top 21 since we're in the year 2021 and talk about each of those items from least favored, even though I favored all of them, to most favored. And we're going to start off with talking about some important dates. So you guys are going to be probably looking forward to the teaser, which is going to come out Monday, February 8th, so we can see what Supreme will be dropping, as well as a lookbook preview, which is coming out Monday, February 15th. And week 1 in-store and online starts back up Thursday, February 18th. And then week 2 is collab week, and that's Thursday, February 25th. Again, this is for the US and UK. It's a little bit different for Japan, but those are the dates that all of you can be looking forward to. I'm so excited for Supreme to start back up, and I can't wait to start pumping out some great content for all of you to view. But now I want to go and quickly go through as quickly as I can, because I don't want to be here for 2 hours, but I want to go through my top 21 picks of 2020. So my number 21 pick is going to go to this mohair beanie. This, by far, out of all the beanies I've gotten from Supreme, is the softest. I wear it the most. I love this natural color that it came in. And it also says that it's like kid mohair. I have no clue what kid mohair means. Is that creepy or weird, or is that just me? But I'm obsessed with this box logo mohair beanie. I think it's just a great option to go with everything and anything. All right, so let's next up, we've got the Sail tee. I love this tee. I get so many compliments on it, and I just love the fact that it literally looks like it was hand-drawn by, you know, a little kid. But definitely one of my favorites, especially with those flying saucers. You know, me being born in Albuquerque, Roswell, definitely has a place in my heart. Next is the Verified tee. This tee, I think, was probably the funniest release I saw of all of 2020, because we all know how Supreme trolls us with these damn captchas. Oh my God, trolling us with this t-shirt. But definitely a hilarious shirt, the way that they actually added Supreme box logos throughout this captcha. So definitely goes down in one of my favorite tees of 2020. Next, we've got my floss lamp. I absolutely love this lamp, you guys. I didn't realize how much I was going to be using it because it's portable. It doesn't have any cord that I have to worry about. You just have to charge it right here. But this is definitely a great investment because I do use it a lot, and it does have different settings that you can dim it down to. So pretty cool drop that Supreme did with floss this past year. Then we've got our Stone Island hoodie. This is definitely a hoodie I feel like I'm going to wear more towards the springtime, but I love the Stone Island hoodie. I love the quality of the embroidery going on the front, and just the colors of this and the white and the two navy-ish darker blue tones. All right, now getting into number 16. Coming in hot is my Nike crew neck sweatshirt. Sorry guys, I thought I had everything on the table. This is by far one of the highest quality crew necks that Supreme launched last year, and obviously I am a sneakerhead, so this is the perfect option to go with any and all of my sneakers basically. see if we have room for you. Oh, we didn't make the photo op. Sorry, guys. All right, so following that is the stool. I literally use this every single day. I have it in the red and the black. This is by far one of the most useful Supreme accessories that I got last year. I need it in my closet. I need it in the kitchen. I mean, there are just so many things I have to get that are up high. And I am a tall person, but I guess I'm not quite tall enough. I realize that. Thank you, Supreme, for this very useful stool. I'm obsessed with it. Then moving on, my thermals. It is freezing in New York right now. These have been a lifesaver. I have the shirt and pants in both the black and red, and these are definitely proving to be very warm, and it's essential, especially when, you know, you don't want to put on 80,000 layers. You can just plop this on underneath a hoodie, and it really does provide you with that extra heat that you need in cold weather environments. All right, next up is the S logo North Face jacket. This has definitely been a great coat for me because I live on a windy street, and you guys know, those who are on the East Coast, when you have those wind tunnel streets, it is brutal. It hits you like a ton of bricks or a punch to the stomach. But this is definitely a great windbreaker, and I just love the red and that big S that just pops off of it. Okay, next up is my Mophie power charger, flashlight, all you can basically think of portable device. I think I've gotten so much use out of this, especially on set. Like, pretty sure I was charging 5 people's phones on set on this device. So this has not only been a useful tool for me, but it's been a useful tool for other people who are in need of, you know, portable charger. Because sometimes when you're on set, you're literally outside and holding on a parking lot, which, like, where are you gonna find a place to charge your phone outside unless you have a car, which most people in the city have commuted through the subway. So this has definitely been a very important accessory that I'm going to continue to use in 2021. All right, getting into the top 10 almost. So next up, we've got the Pat McGrath lipstick. This is definitely an amazing shade that is long lasting, and I'm just so happy that Supreme gave us ladies something to really talk about and really put Pat McGrath even more on the map. Not like she really needed it because she's so famous already, but this Supreme Pat McGrath Labs lipstick is phenomenal. It's fire. I'm sure you guys were hoping to try it out too, so hopefully you were able to put that on your lips as well, or not. All right, so we are getting into my top 10, and that is going to start again with another deck, but this time it is the camo deck. I'm obsessed with the pink camo deck. This is by far my favorite of the decks that were released last year, and one of these days I'm going to put this deck together and put some trucks on it, some wheels, but we'll see when I have time to do that. Maybe we'll do a little skate video for all of you. Okay, next up. So this is a deck that is definitely worthy of making it into the top 10. As you guys know, this is the infamous Smurf painting on that unfinished S logo, S letter on the Supreme. And this came in 3 colors. I would hold them all if I could, but I can't. But this is just such a unique deck, and I'm absolutely obsessed with that unfinished S and the Smurf. I think it's so cute. All right, moving on, we have our box logo long sleeve right here. I mean, obviously this is a classic. You guys know I had fun shooting this in front of the Colgate sign. But this definitely just, you can't go wrong with a box logo long sleeve tee. And of course, I am obsessed with the white and red colorway because it just goes basically with everything and anything. All right, next up we have the Yohji Yamamoto sweater. This sweater is phenomenal. I mean, the design that Yohji Yamamoto came up with, it's just so vibrant, so different, so unique. and I've gotten so many compliments on it. I just love the coloring scheme that they went with, so definitely well-deserved sweater to be in the top 10. Then, of course, if you guys have been watching all my videos, how many times have I used this Shure mic? I've used this a million times. A million times, a million times. All right, so I didn't think that I would be using this as much as I have been, but I love this mic. It's quality. I can't wait to use this even more for some interviews. Hopefully I'll be doing this year, so we'll see if you guys will have some more sneak peeks of that mic in other videos. Next, we have the color blocked fleece. As you guys know, this was a very well sought after colorway out of the 2 that launched. I absolutely love this fleece. It is a great layering piece and it has kept me warm all winter long. So definitely one of my most exciting fleeces that I copped last year. Then we have the cross-box logo hoodie, and I think my favorite color that I got out of all of them was by far the purple. This was definitely, I think, something that people probably made a ton of memes on, as you guys probably saw and thought Supreme was being lazy, but I actually like it. It's different. I mean, it's not that different, but hey, it's different, something new. And I love the purple on purple coloring scheme. Okay, then we've got the Ariel jacket. This is kind of buried in here. This jacket is so dope. I've gotten so many compliments on it, and living in New York, I mean, there's nothing cooler than being able to rock New York on you than this coat. And it's such high quality. The design, the tapestry is phenomenal. So that is definitely one of the most unique jackets that Supreme launched last year that I was so happy to add to my collection. Then, of course, the Mortal Kombat arcade, which is not set up. We'll show you guys the box in the kitchen because I really don't have room for it quite yet, and I'm gonna need to get a bigger place come next year. So hopefully you guys, one of these days, will see that fully set up. But I definitely can't wait to play that game, and you already know I'm gonna create a video as soon as I can on it. All right, and last but not least, my favorite, most worn item of 2020 goes to the Nuptse North Face jacket that I am wearing right now. Oh my God, I have gotten millions of compliments on this. People just stare at this coat. There's just something about the fur and the shininess of it. I mean, it just pops, stands out. It's unique. It's warm. I wear it basically with everything and anything. And I don't know, honestly, what I would do without this coat. You know, it's a little sad I didn't get it in the green colorway, but I actually just love that I have it in black because it goes with absolutely everything and anything. All right, you guys, that's my list for 2020. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys were able to cop last year, what you're looking forward to this year. Anything that you have as far as like questions on my selects. I know our selects may be different, but that's okay because we all have different opinions on things. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are on your own top picks for 2020. As well as if you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to alert you guys as soon as we hit that notification bell to alert yourselves as soon as we have any new and uploaded content. Said that the wrong way. And then also be sure to check out our join button to see all of our new member perks as well as our new merch store. All right, everybody, until next time, we will see you on the next video.